What's up everybody, in today's video I'll be giving you guys a quick overview how you can go and sell Notcoin in Telegram wallet. Here I have opened up my Telegram wallet, and now here we'll go and click on P2P market, and once we are here we'll go and select sell, and here you will see on the top there will be different options provided to you guys. Select currency, select the coin you want to sell, and here just go and enter the amount you want to sell, for example 10, and select the one of the available merchants according to your price limit. Select that, and we'll go here, add a payment method, add amount of coin you want to sell, and once you have done that you will wait for the confirmation from the buyer within 10 minutes, and after your order has been confirmed the buyer has to send you the money within 15 minutes. That's how quickly you can go and sell Notcoin on Telegram wallet. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.